If you think that you can fix the data later, usually it would mean pay for the as-built data twice.
Fitce Fibre Congress.
The event on fiber in Belgium.
We're the Fitce Fibre Congress in Brussels.
The challenges and the solutions for the as-built state in Belgium.
Olha from Yungo, who came to share her experience from designing and documenting networks.
The last 4 years I've been focusing only on as-built, and those as-built projects were mainly in Netherlands, Belgium and Germany.
We do designs, so we design networks for high-level design, low-level designs, but also we help companies with as-built.
What is as-built? It's always good to put it in a workflow. So you start with the design, right? Then you go to construction, you have as-built and maintenance.
So when everything is built, we will finish everything into the network administration of the customer.
It's a bridge between construction and long-term maintenance, and if this bridge is not solid, the whole project suffers.
All the challenges that we are facing.
When you're high management, you kind of think, okay, construction was done, so as-built should take a day or so, right? But that's not the case. Sometimes it can take weeks or months.
What are the issues that we see with as-built?
This idea of we can fix the data later. This is a very dangerous idea, and usually it means you will pay for it twice.
And recommendations for the Belgian market in what, why, how framework.
If your as-built has incomplete data or inconsistent data, you can face acceptance delays. If your as-built is accurate, you have faster and cheaper maintenance. Your client is satisfied, you have a reliable network data, and you receive the revenue faster.
What you see is mostly people only think about that part when they have finished building. But what Olha was explaining, that you have to start thinking about your as-built already in your low-level and high-level designs.
Usually network owners have similar templates of input data that they would want or output data. If the data is standardized in the same way, it's easier for the subcontractors to get on board, to have the learning curve faster, and to have the data more aligned.
I'll link it to the Yungo presentation before.
What I really liked is that later in the C-level panel, a lot of people referred to her presentation.
I really like the IQGO presentation. I think we're going to reach out to them about the diplomatic solution. That one and one about the regulations, I think those two stick to me quite a lot.
It's a great event. I think it's unique because it's really local Belgium. Everybody is here. The regulator was here, telcos were here, construction companies were here. So the whole ecosystem of Belgium FTTH is here.
It's great. There are drinks and people are very welcoming. I met a few people that I know through the emails, but I have not met in the real life, and I've met few potential leads.
And I also heard there will be a kickoff somewhere in February, so I also put that in my agenda.
A snapshot of stuff that's coming next year, our kickoff event in February, our Fitce Café around network resilience, a hot topic, and then towards the autumn of next year, the Mobile Congress. Make sure to stay up to date and participate in our events.